So welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll cover this lab. First of all, you have to simply click on Start Lab and launch with credits. Now, the next thing, you must have received the credits from the team. Now, wait for the lab to get started. Right click over here, open the console incognito window. Now here it's getting signed in automatically. If it asks for username and password, defer to the lab instruction. Now click on I understand. And now from here, click on I agree and continue. And here, just remove this unwanted pop-up. Okay, just remove it. And just activate your Cloud Shell by clicking on this button. Follow carefully till the end so that you are able to get full score in this particular lab. Just click on authorize. You may be asked to click on continue also depending on the lab. You have to just do it. Wait for it to start. Now here, let me increase the text size. So we have increased our text size. Now come over here, come to task number 1 directly. First of all, we'll be setting our project ID and region. For that, paste over here, hit enter. Okay. Now after that, we have to just run the second command. This is also done. Now we have to enable the Cloud AI Companion AI. Okay. Once we have done this, we'll be adding the permission and granting the IAM rules. And after that, we'll be checking the score for this task. Wait for it to get completed. Now just check the score. It will take some time. Wait for it. Wait for some time. We'll try to check the score again. See, it may take up to 1 to 2 minutes. You need to wait for it. You'll surely get the score. Now we have to configure the coordinates engine. So for that, just copy it, come back over here and just enable the container API. After that, we'll grant some permissions to our cloud cluster. That's done. Just paste it, hit enter. We have added the permissions. Now we have to simply come over here, number 7, copy it, paste over here, hit enter. Now this cluster creation generally take 5 to 10 minutes, so you need to wait for some more time. So just wait for the cluster to get created. If you get error, just rerun again. And if you're getting error like resource limit exceeded, then just restart the lab. Now wait for the cluster to get created. So finally, after waiting for 10 to 15 minutes, the cluster has been created. Now come over here and check the score. Okay, we can check the score. We have got the score too. Now coming over here, first of all, we have to clone the repository over here. Just follow as I'm doing, you'll get full score on this lab. Now after that, we'll deploy the microservices to the cloud cluster. Just run it. It will take few seconds. It's doing all the task. So finally, this is also done. Now come back again and just check the deployments whether it's ready or not. So here you can see only one is remaining. Okay, some are remaining. Wait for it. Once you see one to all, wait for some time. Let's try to check it also whether it's working or not. So if you just open it over here and just click on continue, so it's showing error. If you try to check the score, let's see whether we get or not. So we got the score. Now we have to move to the next step. So which step we have to do? Come down over here, and in the first step we have to create a worker pool. As per the lab instruction, we have to create a worker pool over here. So if you try to refresh over here, let's see. Okay, you can see the website is now launched. Now just run it, worker pool, and after that we'll be just creating our registry. So just run it. Do not worry if you got error in previous task. Wait for the repository to get created and we'll be just checking the score. So it's just doing a task. So finally the repository has been created. Come back again and check the score. So you can see we have got the score, and that's the way you have to complete the lab. If you still have any doubts, do let me in the comment section. Thank you. Have a great day ahead.